everyone, my name is Kyeiwaa. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my delicious kebab. Please like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let's get started.
Today's recipe, you will need 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of meat spices, 1 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs, 1 teaspoon of barbecue powder, a blend of onion, garlic, and ginger, and your tended meat and bamboo skewers. You want to pat dry your meat and cut them into thin slices. Yeah, you want your meat to be cut into thin slices. Yeah, be careful of your hand. Cut them beautifully and nicely. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Very nicely done. You want your meat looking like this. And to this, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 to 3 teaspoons of your blend onion, garlic, and ginger. And you're going to add all the spices. If you want your barbecue to be hot, you just have to add a little bit of the chili powder to it. And you're going to mix them well. Use your finger or the fingers to mix them well. For all the spices to be incorporated into the meat nicely. You want to mix them well. And to this, you're going to add 1 to 3 teaspoons of the olive oil, because you also want your meat to be moist, because you're going to leave it over the counter for about 30 minutes. You're going to cover it and leave it on the table or over your counter for about 30 minutes. Yeah, this is how it is looking like. And also don't forget to soak your bamboo skewers in the water for about 30 minutes before you use it, because you're going to put them inside the oven and you don't want it to get burnt. So you're going to just soak it inside the water for some time, and you take your skewers and you arrange your meat nicely on it like this. Be careful of your hand. Going to arrange them nicely like this, and arrange them on your tray. Nicely. Yeah, just look at this. Okay, in a separate bowl, add some oil, a little bit of it, about 1 to 3 teaspoons of it, and add the soya powder to it. Mix them well and apply it on the meat before you put them inside the oven. And preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And when you put your meat inside, you just need to turn it down a little bit and just let it be in there for about 15 minutes. You're going to grill it for about 15 minutes on each side. You turn your meat and apply the sauce to it. I can't wait to taste this meat. Yeah, you put it inside. Yeah, check it every 15 minutes. Turn it around and apply some oil on it, some fresh oil, or better still, the juice from the meat. You apply some juice from the meat to it. and leave it in there for about 15 minutes. Voila! Our meat is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks, and this is the end result. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and